In this video, I'm going to show you how you can autoplay your slides in Google Slides. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. So making your slides to play automatically in Slides, it's quite simple. The first thing you need to do is to go ahead and click on View here, and then choose this option called Slideshow. And this will go ahead and open your Google Slides in full mode, ready to begin the autoplay. Now head over down here, and if you hover here, you can see we have these three dots. Go ahead and click on it, and then head to this option called autoplay. Now here you can choose the interval between one slide to another. So how many seconds do you want for your slide to take before it switches to the next? So you can choose either to 3, you can choose to 4, you can choose even to 2. So for instance, if I choose to 2 and then go ahead and click on play, now you can see after 2 seconds it will switch to the next slide, and the slideshow will continue up to the last slide. And you can see how wonderful this is. Now should you want to stop this, you can just press on spacebar on your computer, and now to exit the full mode, just go ahead and tap on escape on your keyboard like that, and you'll have exited the autoplay on Google Slides. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.